Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will also show you how you can copy a link to a story on Facebook. Please friends, put your likes below the video, also write your comments after watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So friends, let's get started. And I'm gonna show you right from the beginning. Let's say you're logged into Facebook. Here you have your friend's history at the top. And in order to copy a link to such a story, you'll need to open it. After that, click on the three dots on the top right. Then go to the option to copy link to that story. The link is immediately copied, and now you can log out of Facebook and share that link. For this, you can go to any messenger or social network like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on. I'm going to open up Telegram. Next, to share such a link, you will need to click and hold on the line next paste and send. This way, you will share such a link to the story. But I must remind you and warn you not to forget that such a link to the story, it will be valid only for 24 hours, because the story itself in Facebook, as well as in Instagram, is active only for 24 hours. So if after that time you or someone clicks on that link to the story, it will no longer be available to you. This is the way you can copy the story link in the Facebook app. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and also write comments. Take care.